Okay, so for the eagle, okay, so first the basic shapes I used to draw with the red color. Okay, this is sun. Okay, so make it sub for eagle. Okay, first make it the circle like this. Go for nice circle. Okay, like this. Okay, I got the first circle. Nice. So circle should be, see this, my circle is like it, exact circle like that. Okay. So the circle. Okay. Okay. After the circle is done, okay, fine. So now after that, just make it in this circle, the position, this is the position, okay? In this circle, this is the position. It will just make it one line like this. Okay, here is the eyes. Okay, and here you can make it the beak. After the circle, you make the beak line here. Okay. Okay, here's the beak line. Right? So now how to draw this okay. So now just draw the beak after the circle, first circle. So now make the beak line like this. See, one, like this. See this curve line. First circle, then straight line, then curve line like this. Okay. Curve line like this. So this is the beak line is coming like this and this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Fine. Now just create here. See this here, I just make it the circle. First make a circle, okay? Very easy. How to draw? Make it a circle, okay? Nothing else. It is no any tough things, okay? Just make a circle. Here a circle. Here is a circle, okay? Fine. It is a normal circle you can create over here, right? And create the again circle. I tell you, all drawing is 90% using the help of circle, okay? Okay. Nice. I can go ahead and next it now. So I make it first a circle. Done that much? The basic shape is done. So just go ahead, take the pencil, okay? Fine. Just now, after that, we are go just make it okay here. Make it nicely. The basic same shape is when you're done, just create this. Okay, nice eyes. It should be very circle. Okay, this is circle. Okay, like it's proper circle like this. Okay, and now you can create here something like this line. Okay, here see the big line is very important. Here you can put some line like this. Okay, so you can create here. Okay, see this is circle is your when your basic line is done, then it is very easy to draw. Okay, proper shapes lines. Okay, like this. Okay, yes, creates like this. Okay, I just make some strokes. Okay, aram se. Okay, just make any bird. I can, if you tell the all bird, the basic shape is the same. Okay, if you want to parrot, if you want to make this pigeon, sparrow, eagle, you tell eagle, so that's why I draw the eagle, but the same shape of all birds. Okay, okay, like this. Here very small strokes like this. Okay, the lower beak is like very smaller like this. Like this. The eagle, American eagle, or this Indian eagles is little bit of different. Eagle also, you know, you can see the different categories. Okay, so basic shapes you understand if you are very confident about the basic shapes. Yes, beta, tell me.
I can't draw the hairs. I mean, I'm drawing like this.
Here, yes, beta. Here I show you. I show you. Don't worry. I show you how to draw here. Okay, here. Just a minute. Actually, it is a feather. Okay, it's a feather. So you can make the. Okay, you facing problem to the draw the feather, right? This is, isn't it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, just make its line like this. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So outline also like this. See, like this. I do 1, 2. So like this. See, like this, like this, this. Okay, this. Like this. Simple. Okay. Try. You can do it. You only can do it. If you try, you can do it. Everything is possible. If you thought about that, I can do it. So no one can change your mind. No one can stop you. Okay. You just think about that. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. You do it. You see, once upon a time, you did it. Okay.
Or is it like this?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I know you can do it. Okay, just to make it